So I'm on site here at Richmond, Virginia. It's Virginia's first 3D printed home. We're on site. It's in conjunction with Virginia Housing and Virginia Tech. It's a pilot program. Lots of people here studying the process, learning how it's done. Over here is the concrete batch plant, temporary concrete batch plant set up where they create the mixture, pour it into the pump to pump it to the printer head that revolves around the structure. It just kind of moves back and forth. You can see the printer head in the background back there printing the actual walls of the building. So you come in and you pour a foundation just like you would any other house. You set the tower up, the crane mechanism, and then you literally, it's a printer head that runs on the beams that literally has a concrete pump running through it. It layers the walls. So you can go Google 3D concrete printing, but I believe this is the new technology that's going to revolutionize the house building industry. Concrete is a more environmentally friendly, structurally sound, energy efficient material to use in building. In a lot of other countries, a lot of houses are built out of concrete and block. In the United States, it's predominantly been wood. Metal has been tried, but that's not a very efficient building material. So I think concrete, 3D printed concrete houses are going to be the future of especially affordable housing, but just housing in general. And a lot of coastal houses are built out of concrete and block, and it's very efficient. The crane or the printer mechanism can be set up in a couple of days. The house can be printed out in a couple of days, depending on the size. That was about a 1,200 square footer. They're going to get it built and sold for about $200,000. So the cost is probably 20% less maybe than traditional construction. It's not significantly exponentially less expensive, but maybe 20% less expensive. But the big thing is it takes a lot less time. You need a lot less labor to do the main structure, and it's easier on the trades because all of the chases are built into the structure, so you don't have to go through and drill through walls and studs and things like that to run your mechanicals and your electricals. The concrete is layered, so it does create like a ribbed look. You can stick with that, or you can smooth it out, or you can cover it up. So there's a lot of different finishes you can use, interior and exterior, on it, so that it'll look like any other house. You could put any kind of siding on it. You could put drywall on the inside if you want. A lot of different ways to make this structure not look like concrete. Some people like the concrete industrial look, but this is Virginia's first 3D concrete 3D printed house. Pretty fascinating technology that's starting to take hold throughout the country. So I will keep you up to date. We'll follow this one through as they continue to finish it out and do some more videos, but I wanted to bring that to you today. We have a housing crisis in this country. Affordable housing is an issue. Housing in general, there's no inventory. We can't get them built fast enough. This is one technology that reduces the amount of labor, which is a big issue facing the industry now. Is going to continue to be a big issue facing the industry. So this is a great solution. I think this is even better than modular or manufactured housing or systems built homes. I think 3D concrete printing technology is going to continue to evolve, get better, more efficient, more cost effective as we go along down the road. So it'll be a lot of fun to watch this and see how it goes.